weather. Oh! I'm going in the house!
Back to you, Susan, in the studio.
Ah!
As we can see, Kim was down in Cranston, practically blowing away. They say all Rhode Island and Massachusetts have had a lot of power outages, especially Burrville, you know? They say that the snow is actually almost this high. I don't know what we're going to do. They say in Cranston that there's a lot of power lines down and trees, so everyone pulling out of those garages in their Jeeps, get back in. As you can see, there's been a lot of power flickers, a lot of outages too, as I said before. This is why you need to have your handy-dandy flashlight ready. And lots of batteries, okay? Lots. Now, if Channel 12 loses power, you should probably go to Channel 10. You know? I mean, Channel 12 is great, but Channel 10, it's so consistent. This just in. Channel 10 has lost power. So, if Channel 12 loses power also, then you really have no chance of living. So, I would just turn on your radios and hopefully something good will come out of it. As we are all following the safety codes, well, make sure you follow the safety codes, because if not, you're gonna die. Not to be a downer, but you're gonna die. This is Susan live in the studio. Back to you, Jimmy.
We're all gonna die.